Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will show you different commands to configure the Wi-Fi from the console in a complete way. To start, right-click on the Start menu. Now click on Terminal as Administrator, accept System Permissions. If you want to see the profiles stored in the system, that is, the networks to which you have connected, run the netch command with the syntax on the screen. If you want to see the profiles stored for the particular interface, you must run the above command but using the interface name as you see on the screen. If you need to see the details of the Wi-Fi network driver, you are going to execute the command you see, and that includes the syntax of show drivers. With it, we will be able to see complete information of each aspect and feature of the Wi-Fi controller. If you want to know the usability of the Wi-Fi network adapter, use the on-screen command by adding Show Wireless capabilities. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now, if your goal is to see the configuration of the Wi-Fi network adapter, you are going to execute the command that we use in the console with the extra of show interfaces. You can add the interface name in the syntax to specify the interface for which you want to see the specific features. If for security reasons you need to see the password of the Wi-Fi network, use the syntax that you can see on the screen, indicating the name of the profile and placing the instruction clear in the term key. When you press enter, you can see the password in the key content line. If you want to prevent the Wi-Fi network from connecting automatically in Windows, you are going to execute the on-screen command that includes the terms set profile parameter. If you need to change the priority of the network you use to make it the most important, use the command you see on the screen, and that includes the terms of set profile order, adding also the priority and the interface. If you connect to many networks, you can delete some that you no longer use. If you want to do it, use the command you see on the screen, indicating the name of the network to be deleted thanks to the delete profile instruction. For security or administrative tasks, you can export the profile of a Wi-Fi network in Windows. If you want to do it, simply use the command that we indicate from Export Profile, and you must define the path where this profile will be stored. One of the most important aspects in Wi-Fi management is to have a complete report of our Wi-Fi network. If you want to access this report, run the command that uses the terms of Show LAN Report. After this, go to the path where the file has been created and double-click on it to view it. Now you'll be able to see a detailed overview of everything that's happening with your Wi-Fi network in Windows. Finally, you can manually connect to the Wi-Fi network from the console using the disconnect instruction. Then you must use your command with the connect statement along with the name of the Wi-Fi network to connect. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.